All right, welcome to your newest property in central Indianapolis. I'm going to show you a tour of this fantastic property in Meridian Kessler of Indianapolis, Indiana. My name's Landon.buesching. Come on, let's go take a quick tour of this awesome property. Y'all, welcome to your new home in Indianapolis, Indiana. This is in the Meridian Kessler neighborhood. The address is 7575 North Illinois Street. This property is priced at $1.2 million. We're going to take a tour today to see what $1.2 million gets you in Meridian Kessler. Here we are in the master bedroom. It has a full bathroom in it. It's been updated and upgraded throughout the house. Fresh paint throughout it, new carpet, newer windows. Alright y'all, we are down at one of the unique bedrooms of this house. This house does have 5 full bedrooms in the house. I like this room because it's got a lot of sunlight in it, but that's not the real reason why I want to show you this room. Come check out this secret door. I think you'll like this. Come on out. Takes you to your glorious pool. I know it's winter time, but who wouldn't love to have that exit to the pool? Okay, now we're upstairs in this giant bonus room. This is going to be a great area for kids to come up here and play, and the view is just fantastic. Take a look at that. Hey y'all, welcome to your kitchen. This is probably my favorite feature of the entire house. You've got brand new appliances, all KitchenAid made. Brand new countertops. It's fantastic. But my favorite feature is probably the skylight. Take a look at the skylight that's out there. Welcome to the basement. One thing that's going to really stand out about this basement, it's got a brand new epoxy finish type floor. It looks great, fantastic. There's a lot of storage down here for you to make it your home. Okay, let's take the very final shot for the day. Is this fantastic 3 seasons. It's actually a 4 seasons room because it's closed and it's heated, but it gives you that 3 seasons room. It's got open availability everywhere. Each one of these doors is a sliding glass door. It looks great. Take a look. Shout out to my girl Boomy. She's the listing agent. We appreciate her very much for letting us come into this fantastic property. I hope you enjoyed the tour. $1.2 million. This is what it gets you in Meridian Kessler, Indianapolis.